the materials, you will need a metal, some ice to place on top of the metal, and some wood, which you will be placing the ice on top of as well, and just some napkins to clean up any mess that you might make. Here we have the metal and the paper towel underneath and the wood block. So we're going to place them on top as seen, and we're going to use the ice and put the ice on top of the wood block, and then another one on top of the metal. Now all we need to do is observe which one melts faster. Here we go. As can be seen, the ice is starting to melt much faster on top of the metal than on top of the wood. The reason being why I touch both ice blocks continuously is because on top of the metal, the ice block keeps moving. So to keep the heat given off to the ice cubes the same for both, I touch both.
They both started at the same temperature, so the starting temperature couldn't be why the ice melts faster. In the metal, the heat from my fingers would flow into the metal as I touch it. Then that warm part of the metal would flow out to the rest of the block and keep flowing out. In the wood, when I touch the surface of the wood, I can warm up just the surface and it doesn't flow. So right here, it would warm up just this part, making it seem warm, and the rest of the heat would not transfer or flow out to the rest of the block as it would for the metal. This is why in metals, when you touch them, they feel cold. Basically because the heat does not stay in place, but rather flows out.
Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with the energy and work of a system. It has three different principles, which leads to different properties of the physical system. And from this, we find what heat is. Heat is simply the measurement of energy. All molecules contain some amount of kinetic energy from their instinctive motion. Okay, so the hotter the object is, the faster the molecules are moving. Temperature, however, is the average heat of the molecules in substance. Because different objects have different molecule speeds when conducted, different materials may have the same perceived temperature but different actual temperatures. That's why when we touch this piece of metal, it feels cold but heats things up faster, and when we touch this piece of wood, it feels warm but doesn't melt the ice.